What's the location of your emergency?
A guy got bit by an alligator. Please hurry up.
Jeffrey Heim had been in the Myakka River for just over a minute. A 6.5-foot gator chomped down on his skull. Attached to the mask on his head, a GoPro, recording the whole thing.
What it will show is it's not going to see the gator hit me. It's going to see it come off because it hit me from behind. I never saw it coming.
With the footage sitting at the bottom of the river, the truth about what happened was trapped only inside Jeffrey's head, held together by 35 staples.
Some people are accusing me of provoking the attack.
Hoping to prove his innocence, Jeffrey asked other divers to help him find the GoPro. That mission failed, but we had a different idea. Veteran-owned tech company FLYMOTION agreed to meet us on the river.
Most of the time we're giving this equipment to first responders, the guys who are on the front lines. You know, we're helping put something else in harm's way in front of them.
With their underwater drone, typically used for public safety, government, and defense.
So NBC reached out to us to try to find and recover the GoPro with one of our unmanned underwater vehicles, which is essentially a submarine type system that allows us to have a video feed of what's happening under the water for inspection purposes and also to recover an equipment like the GoPro. After we got to Lake Myakka, we talked to the news crew for a bit and then set up all of our equipment. After deploying the underwater drone, we used a mapping type motion to sweep back and forth and locate the GoPro by essentially covering as much of the lake bed as we could.
That's super freaking cool. That's crazy.
NBC benefited because we were able to help wrap up the story and provide a unique twist to the ending. But the diver benefited the most in that the footage that we recovered showed that he did not provoke the attack, and it also brought closure to him and his family. My biggest takeaway was to not underestimate these unmanned systems. We were not optimistic going in because there was a diving team that ended up going out before us searching for the GoPro and they didn't find it. But because of the technology that we had, it made it very simple to be able to have eyes on the lake floor and ultimately locate the GoPro. There wasn't a great chance that we would find and locate the GoPro. However, being able to understand how these solutions work and ultimately being able to provide these to our customer base is the most important thing. It was great to work with NBC and ultimately bring closure to this story. Using these systems in the real world brought a lot of experience and knowledge, and I'm glad everything worked out.